All right, folks. Time for some more cooking today. Pouring rain outside, but we're still cooking. We got a 5.9 pound bone-in beef back rib. Is that it, Mama? I think that's what it was.
Some expensive piece of meat.
It was expensive. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this on or not. I could cut it off. I trimmed a bunch of the fat off of it already. Trim a little bit more. Mama's waiting for me to cut my hand and have to take me to the ER. You don't want to do that, Mama?
No, it's raining.
It's raining.
I would say cut it off.
Cut it off.
Because I mean, you're waiting for.
Well, no. When I set it out there, that'll keep it.
Okay. It came this way, so we're trying to figure out.
It came this way. It was all wrapped up. Feels like no, the bones are there. I'm gonna leave them on for right now. We can add a little extra. We put some flavoring under there. I think I got her trimmed up enough. Let's get some extra virgin olive oil. Because me and Mama are alone tonight. All the girls are gone.
And we'll be virgins again tonight, baby?
I need some virgin olive oil. And I'm going to need some of my Killer Hog steak rub. We're going to start marinating this. And in here in a little while, we're going to start some smoking. We're going to cook it at 275. Well, the smoker's at 275 with some pecan wood.
Pecan?
Pecan. Whatever.
Some nut.
You redneck.
You hillbilly.
And we're going to wait till it gets to an internal temp of, I'm saying 125, 130, Mama. Somewhere around there, what you like.
Yeah. I like it.
Somewhere around there. We'll have a probe in the side and a probe down the middle. See which one goes right. We'll be back and we'll get ready to start putting some of this stuff on it, folks. See you in a few minutes. Alright, folks, we got the EVO, the extra virgin olive oil. Let's, I'm not sure what hand I'm going to do this with. Oh, this one.
That's heavy.
Won't spill everywhere. We're going to rub this down.
Massage, baby.
Get it all in the middle. We're going to tie this up. Put some extra juices there in the middle. I'm going to make a mess. Hey, what's cooking without making a mess? Oh, sitting it on top of it.
Yes, that's thunder.
I think I got the tin up out there. Oh, we have to wash it. Oh. Hold on, folks. Let me take this one glove off. Oh, we're going to turn this all over. We'll make a mess. I might have to order some more of this before I do some more steaks. Oh, hold on.
Spread it, baby.
How are we going to do this? Oh, hold on, baby.
Spread
it.
it.
Record it.
Spread eagle, baby.
All right, let me hold that. I want to get that everywhere in here. Get it rubbed good. Some on the bottom. Some on this side. Oh, there we go. I'll just put it right down in the middle there. All right, we got it flavored up. Since these bones are kind of protruding a little bit, like mine do, because I'm skinny. My wife said, "You too skinny."
I try to fatten him up. It does not work.
I eat all this meat here and I'll see how fat I get after that tonight, folks, because we're going to eat all this. Alright. We're going to let this sit here. We're going to let the flavors get sucked up into it, marinate, whatever you want to call it. Go get the smoker turned on, get her fired up, and we're going to get out there and start some smoking in the rain. See you in a few. Alright guys, Masterbuilt's heated up. Look here, we got it wrapped up. Oh man, it is smelling good. We're going to get it out here to the smoker, get it on. Probably take about 2 hours. It's right at about 4:30 right now. Look at there, all those rubs. Ooh, salt, pepper. And we'll see you out at the smoker. Alright guys, got her in. Smoker box smoking. Got both probes in it. Set 275. We're going to let it go for about 2 hours. Hopefully it's only going to take about 2 hours. It's raining. I'm getting back inside. Going to play some games from my other channel. Go watch the Unknown Computer Geek. I'll put some links in the bottom. You can find it. See you then. Alright folks. Head up to about 130 on the inside. Mama's still cooking a few other things. We want to sit in here and let this rest a little bit. Get it wrapped up. And my big old dog's gonna jump around over here. Get under there. There we go. Oh my goodness, folks, this smells. I wish I had scratchy sniff, smell-o-vision you guys could smell. We're just gonna let this rest under here 15 minutes. Keep the juices inside. We're gonna come back and me and Mom are gonna have 2 of the biggest steaks that we can have. See you when we get there, folks. Alright. Oh my lord, it smells good, folks. We're going to cut these bones off the bottom. I'm going to set them right there. Got no bones here. My daughter ain't home right now. Alright. And cut it right down the middle to start with.
Yummy.
Is that how you want it, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Look there.
That looks good.
How big a piece you want? About half of that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's some crispy skin on it. Come on. Need a bigger knife. Oh my goodness, folks. Get this other piece cut in half here.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Fortunately, I got my taste tester here tonight. Let me try it myself. Here. Let me see if I can do it like she does. 10! Woo! 10!
With a full thrust.
Alright, folks.
That's dinner, baby.
Once she's done, ready to eat, we'll see you folks next time.